Engineers now monitoring roads in our area for structural damage after a pair of cave-ins following pounding rains from Hurricane Ida. One collapse leaving 2 people dead along Highway 26 in Loosedale.
A second road collapse kept people living along Styx River from getting to and from their homes. That road is repaired tonight. There's one more area of concern in Spanish Fort tonight. Highway crews are reinforcing the problem right now. NBC 15's James Gordon has our story.
This is the perfect example of the power of water. And over the last couple of days, the rainfall from Hurricane Ida, it pretty much caused this road here to nearly collapse. And that's why these crews are here today. The good news is that Tuberville Lane is one of only 2 roads compromised by Hurricane Ida's flash flooding in Baldwin County.
Part of that front slope on one side is starting to erode real bad, and if it gets washed away, it'll take the road with it.
Few cars travel this road, but with every truckload of riffraff and dirt, highway crews are on a mission to make it safer. River Road along Styx River is also compromised. Families cut off by an 8-foot gaping hole. This road, too, is scheduled to be fixed.
This is why we tell people just to, stay off the roads after these events.
Avoiding what happened in George County, Mississippi, where 2 people died and others were injured, is the reason for the quick action here. What they've done here today is a temporary fix. They've been here before, but take a look at this. This is what the water and the power of water has done in years past. Opened up a huge ditch along this road, on the side of the road. It's going to take these property owners and the county to work together to solve that problem long term. In Spanish Fort, James Gordon, NBC 15 News.